All right, well, right now the city of Temple is under a disaster declaration after that possible tornado slammed the area last night. The Wilson Recreation Center, located at 2205 Curtis B. Elliott Drive, is currently open as a shelter. And if you need transportation, please call 254-298-5682. City officials will hold a press conference at 10 o'clock this morning from the Temple Police Department. So stick with us for that. Well, if you live in Temple, here are some numbers to keep handy. If you need to report a power outage or downed power line, please call 888-313-4747 or visit encore.com/outages to report down trees. Call 254-298-5682. And for gas emergency and leaks, please call 911. Well, storms have forced some schools in our areas to close. Temple ISD will be closed today and Friday. Belton ISD will also close due to damage. Now, Rogers ISD is also closed, and Belton ISD has postponed graduation on Friday. Now, the graduation was supposed to take place at the Cadence Bake Center, but the venue has no power, and there is no word on when it will be restored. Other districts are monitoring damage in the area to determine if they will close. Just head to KCENTV.com to keep an eye on the latest school closures. Okay, well, as we showed you at the beginning of the show, what appears to be a tornado was caught on camera in West Temple. Multiple people in Temple caught the tornado on their cell phones. Now, after it passed, the damage it left behind is extensive. This is video of damage from West Adams in Temple. Multiple businesses are no longer there. Cars flipped, signs and buildings torn down. And take a look at these pictures sent to us by Adrian Hodges. The Shipleys on West Adams destroyed, along with multiple other businesses. Wow. Well, 6 News anchor Bailey Bates was out getting a look at the damage across Central Texas and has more on what people in West Temple saw.
6 News anchor Bailey Bates here. I am in a neighborhood in West Temple just outside of 317, just south of Charver Elementary School. This area was one of the areas that saw the most extensive damage from a potential tornado that ripped through here on Wednesday night. And what we have seen in this neighborhood is there are lots of roofs that have been torn off and are completely missing. There's power lines down in quite some areas, and you can see right here this power line is laying across this yard here. And up on here on this house, if you are able to see this roof is completely gone. This is what most of the houses in this neighborhood are experiencing tonight, and a lot of others across Temple. We talked to one person who lives in an apartment complex between Airport Road and West Adams, and her entire ceiling caved in. There's insulation covering her apartment. She had to pack bags for her and her kids to go somewhere else for the rest of the night.
Like the wind is picking up, then it started sounding like a train, and the wind just got too heavy, and I don't know, I just started hearing heavy. It was just too heavy. Like, I knew it was a tornado outside. I am upset because I have to leave my apartment and it's caved in, you know. But I mean, I guess it's bittersweet because I mean, my lease is about to be up, so.
And y'all are safe.
Yeah, that's the most important thing. We're safe.
This mom of 2 is just thankful that her and her baby girls are both safe tonight. In this neighborhood in West Temple, you know, we've seen a lot of people packing up cars, packing up bags of their stuff because they can't stay here, and now they don't know when they'll be able to return. Reporting in Temple, I'm Bailey Bates. Back to you.
All right. Thank you, Bailey. Well, the Temple Mall also saw some major damage. Just take a look at this video from inside the mall as the storms rolled through Temple. This is just part of the damage. Right now, there is no telling how much of the mall suffered from the storm. All right, well, now to downtown Temple, where an Italian food staple suffered massive damage. This is Pignetti's. Look at that. Part of the roof collapsed. Incredible images there. And take a look at this. The front of the Hilton Garden Inn in Temple collapsed as a result of the storm. Well, right now we are unsure if the Hilton is open for business, but we will be sure to keep you posted.